you spent hours scrolling through threads and suddenly realized that time has flown by? To avoid fatigue and stay productive, there's a simple trick: break reminder. In this video, we'll show you how to easily enable the break reminder so that Threads can remind you when it's time to take a short break. First, find the Threads app, open it, and log into your profile. Once you're in Threads, you'll see the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it, and it will take you to your profile page. On your profile, in the top right corner, you'll see two horizontal lines. Tap on them. In the settings, look for the Account section and tap on it. Once you're in the Account section, at the very top of the page, you'll see the break reminder option. Tap on it. After that, you'll see different time intervals for the reminder: every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, and never. Simply choose how often you want to receive the reminder, and you're all set. Once you select your preferred option, the changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to adjust anything else. And that's all for this video, friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.